Hello friends, today we are going to learn the NCERT question answers of chapter number 4 of our science book, Heat. Question number 1. State similarities and differences between the laboratory thermometer and the clinical thermometer. Answer. A thermometer is a device used to measure the temperature of a body. The thermometer that measures our body temperature is called clinical thermometer. A laboratory thermometer is used in laboratories to measure temperature with high accuracy. Similarities between the laboratory thermometer and the clinical thermometer. Both made up of a uniform glass tube. Both contain mercury. Both have a bulb at one end. Both generally have Celsius scale. Differences between the laboratory thermometer and the clinical thermometer. Range of laboratory thermometer is from -10 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius, while range of clinical thermometer is from 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius. Second, laboratory thermometer is used to take the reading of temperature in the laboratory, while the clinical thermometer is used to measure the temperature of human body. Mercury level falls when removed from the source in case of laboratory thermometer, while in the case of clinical thermometer it doesn't. Question number 2. Give 2 examples each of conductors and insulators of heat. Answer. According to the heat conductivity of materials, they can be classified as conductors and insulators. The materials which allow heat to pass through them are called conductors. Aluminium, iron, and copper are examples of conductors. Those materials which do not allow heat to pass through them easily are called insulators. Examples of insulator include plastic and wood. Question number 3, Part A. Fill in the blanks. Part A. The hotness of an object is determined by its answer. The degree of hotness or coldness of an body is termed as the temperature, which is measured by a device called thermometer. The scales of temperature are degree, Celsius, Kelvin and Fahrenheit. Part B. The temperature of boiling water cannot be measured by a dash thermometer. Answer. The temperature of boiling water cannot be measured by a clinical thermometer. The clinical thermometer is designed to measure the temperature of the human body. That is why this thermometer has the range from 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius. If the temperature is beyond the specified range, the thermometer may explode. We know that the temperature of boiling water is in the range of 100 degrees Celsius, and hence a normal clinical thermometer cannot be used to measure its temperature. Part C. Temperature is measured in degree dash. Answer. Temperature is the degree of hotness or coldness of a body. It is measured using a device called thermometer. Temperature is measured in degrees Celsius, which is represented as degree Celsius. Degree C. Part D. No medium is required for transfer of heat by the process of dash. Answer. Exchange of heat energy between objects can take place through any of the 3 modes: conduction, convection and radiation. Heat transfer through the process of radiation does not require a medium. The heat from the sun is transferred to earth through the process of radiation. Heating food in a microwave and warming hand in the campfire are other examples of heat transfer through radiation. Part E. A cold steel spoon is dipped in a cup of hot milk. It transfers heat to its other end by the process of Answer. The process by which heat is transferred from the hotter end to the colder end of an object is known as conduction. Generally in solids, heat is transferred by the process of conduction. So in the given example, the heat transfer in the stool spoon takes place due to conduction. Part F. Clothes of dash colors absorb heat better than clothes of light colors. Answer. Dark colors absorb heat more easily and at the same time radiate heat more quickly. Let us take the example of black and white color clothes. Black color clothes absorb heat more readily, whereas white color clothes reflect most of it. Question number 4. Match the following. Land breeze blows during night. Sea breeze blows during day. Dark colored clothes are preferred to wear in winters. Light colored clothes are preferred in summer. Question number 5. Discuss why wearing more layers of clothing during winter keeps us warmer than wearing just one thick piece of clothing. Answer. We wear more layers of clothing during winters to keep us warmer than wearing just one thick piece of clothing because air gets trapped in between the two layers of blankets. This air prevents the flow of heat from our body to the cold surroundings as air is a bad conductor of heat. Question number 6. Look at the figure. Mark where the heat is being transferred by conduction, by convection and by radiation. Answer. The methods for the transfer of heat are classified into 3. They are: conduction is a process in which transfer of heat takes place between objects by direct contact. Convection refers to the form of heat transfer in which energy transition occurs within the fluid. Radiation refers to the mechanism in which heat is transmitted without any physical contact between objects. Conduction, from pan to water. Convection, heat within the water. Radiation, from burner to pan. Question number 7. In places of hot climate, it is advised that the outer walls of houses be painted white. Explain. Answer. In places of hot climate, it is advised that the outer walls of houses be painted white because the white color absorbs less heat. It reflects most of the heat and hence keeps the house cooler. Question number 8. 1 liter of water at 30 degrees Celsius is mixed with 1 liter of water at 50 degrees Celsius. The temperature of the mixture will be Answer. Between 30 degrees Celsius and 50 degrees Celsius. Question number 9. An iron ball at 40 degrees Celsius is dropped in a mug containing water at 40 degrees Celsius. The heat will Answer. Part B. Not flow from iron ball to water or from water to iron ball. Question number 10. A wooden spoon is dipped in a cup of ice cream. Its another end, part D, does not become cold. Question number 11. Stainless steel pans are usually provided with copper bottoms. The reason for this could be that Part C. Copper is a better conductor of heat than the stainless steel. Thank you, friends. Bye bye.